Yo, Sidu. I'm sorry, I had some trouble starting up. It didn't pick up a microphone for some reason, but a good old replug did it. Hello, hello, good evening. How are you doing this evening? How's it going? There we go. Nice little stretch to get started. I'm doing good. The week started again, so just had my first day back at work. It was a rough one for me because I only had 2 days of weekend this week, and that kind of that hit me hard. So I didn't exactly get the rest I hoped for, but it's fine. Other than that, it's fine. Just back here doing some programming. I am going to start up an old project to get some data from Enlisted. Hang on, let me change back to this. Yeah, there we go. That's some good old code. Yeah, I found an old project and I was like, wait, I can't do this again. I can actually say so. Because I want to get some data from the replay portal. All of this beautiful data. I want to save it. I want to see what I can do with it. Because there's a lot of information to be had here. So yeah, that's I'm gonna start setup today. I'm gonna let it run for a while so I can get like a month's worth of data and see what I can learn from that. So I think that's gonna be interesting. I did mostly just get back the old code I had. And now we gotta make sure we actually can get data. Hang on, is this still... Yeah, alright. Let's see, because nowadays apparently you need to log in before being able to get the data. And Gaijin gives me a cookie, and I gotta save that cookie. This should be relatively straightforward, because we can go, session is like request.session? Hang on. I have an example over here, why ain't I looking at it? Oh, over here. Request.session, that's one. Request.session. And self request. Let's see. Gonna add S. And over here, we don't wanna print that. Let's go to start, remove bunch. Let's go to the end. Remove that. Remove all those. Then I just wanna print s.cookies. Is with an S? There was an example over here. There was not an example over there. There's an example over here. S. Could be here, right? Well, let's just run it to see what happens. What do we have? We have cookie. Multiple cookies actually. Cookie identity for embed of gaijin.net, cookie identity token, yada yada yada. That's a lot of stuff. But at least we have something. So now just gonna try to run this old piece of code. Let's use that. And see if we get any results. Let's see what this does. It does absolutely nothing. Gosh darn it. What do we get? Let's see. What if we just want to see the text? And we don't want to see the cookie again. JSON object is no attribute JSON. Oh. S.get. Oh right, no, we don't need. We're saving it in R, not S. I don't think it's actually logging us in. That's kind of sad. Because we do have the cookie. Let's actually see what's in here. So we're gonna save this. Then we're gonna go print login. What's over there? Oh, sorry, print login.text. Because we want to see what's in there. This is gonna say like, oh, yeah, I'm a request. That's about all it's gonna tell us. So just a text, please. But yeah, what you got going on, Sidu? You got anything interesting this week? Oh, I'm dumping way too much over here. Just get a bit less data. There we go. Window, post messages. Window.opener. Not really, just some gaming. Oh, nice. That sounds pretty good. Alright, so it's gonna open something. Then it's gonna go, hey, this is all the data you want. And then it's gonna close itself. You'll see what the future brings you. That sounds ominous. That was really ominous, man. Alright, what we also can do is just have a look at this. Because we can actually see the cookie in here. So how is this cookie formed? This is the cookie. Let me just get a little notepad thingy. Just normal notepad will do. And I did some testing yesterday and I need identity underscore SID. It should be over here, yeah. So that's this thing, whatever it is. Wait. This is a cookie we get from here? Oh no, that's very handy. That's very handy indeed. Because we can just like extract this part. We save it and then we have everything we need. Okay. We can do this. We just need a little bit of regular expressions, which is the way to find certain patterns you define. So let's go regex Python. How do we do regex? Yeah, we need to get it. So we go import RE. And then we can say RE search. Yeah, we have the text like this over here. Login.text is whatever we need. So then we can go login.text .search. Then we need to have a certain thing we're searching for. See, where is my regex 101? Regex 101. There it is. Beautiful site. We're looking at this. We want to go identity underscore sit equals. And then we want to get whatever's in there. So we're going to make a group that's going to go whatever until we meet a semicolon. Wait, there's a semicolon over here. Why isn't it finding that semicolon? Match between 0 and unlimited times. Oh right, we need to tell. We want you to find like the first semicolon. The first semicolon? No. Regex match until character. Matching up to the first. You'll need character class, but match everything but a semicolon. Alright, well, sure, whatever you want, buddy. Let's just paste it in here and see what it does. It does jack shit. It should match. Oh wait, did I forgot a character, didn't I? I think there was something before it. Nope, there was a star though. I think the star is important. Yeah, there it is. So, if we go put that over here. Regex Python. Oh, it's all the way at the bottom. Let's get it. There we go. We just say, yeah, we just want to have it like this. Put our little thingy, regex thingy over there. And then, so we don't need to do it like this. We just get this area, I think. Let's see. Yeah, we get this. And we put it over here. Let's see. re dot search. Let's see. It should search for this thingy inside this and print it. Alright, let's see if we manage to make it work. I'd be very surprised if it works the first time. But you never know. None. None? What do you mean, none? That's actually, Oh, I screwed up. There we go. We just go print login.txt. See what's in there. Because maybe we're just getting something bad back. Oh, wait, it's not in here, is it? I used the wrong thingy. No, it's most certainly not in there. Okay, I've been an idiot. That's nothing new. We should all expect it. I still have been an idiot. Because I was searching through the wrong thing. It should be in... No, wait, what? Hang on. I'm being confused. So we copy the value. And we put it in here, and there it is. Okay. And now, we should maybe look through all of this and see if what we need's in there as well. Yeah, I was just looking through the wrong thing apparently. It's not in there. Okay. But that's kind of sad. Let's see. Window parent post message. What we... I think you're supposed to like make a call to the parent. We can actually just... If we log out over here and list it, please. Where can I log out? Gaijin, come on. Let me log out. I've been a good boy. There we go. Log out. Get rid of everything. Log in again. Get rid of everything. Your session has expired. Oh, we will just re-log in. And we can keep track of what the network's doing. Alright, so first it does this request. And it does a set cookie. It's like, hey, I want to set a cookie on you. Sure. The request header also has a bunch of stuff. This might be, let's see, because we do identity ID and expire, identity token. And over here there's a bunch more, but nothing that is SID. And then we go back to this. I think here we get the set cookie identity token. But is there an identity SID in here? Identity ID, identity name. What do we have here? Tracking cookie. It's already set. It already exists. Maybe it's in here? Let's double check this. Actually, let's do something different. I'm just gonna get all the headers that we get back from this one. Print login.headers. And let's try it again. Holy crap, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Yeah, it should be from there to there. We copy it. I need to... What, am I blind? Yeah, I'm blind. Paste it in there. Plugins, JSON viewer, format. There was an error processing, I don't care. Right, wait, can't we go to json.parser.json.parser.online.fr? Imagine using a French site. Ew. Alright, this also tells me it's invalid JSON. That's kind of rude of them, I think. Is it invalid? Yeah, apparently it still is. Alright. At least it's somewhat organized shit. And there is an identity SID in there. Oh boy. Isn't that lovely? We can just look through these actually. So we can look through the headers. How is this formatted? How does it look? Gonna paste in here. We're gonna search for SID. There it is. Identity SID equals that. Alright, so instead of looking through that, we might be able to look through the headers. Headers, there we go. Let's clear this all up and try it again. Oh no. Expected string or byte-like object. What kind of object is it then? Am I being an idiot? Yeah, I'm probably being a dumbass, but let's see. It's print login.headers. Show me them headers. Show me what you're made of. If any type. Let's see, keep alive, vary encoding, set cookie. Can I get a type of? Then put this to the side again. Python get type. Determine the type of an object. There are two built in, yada yada yada. Alright, so what if I try to get the type of this? No, wrong button. Wrong button. There we go. Good button. We clear the terminal out again and we do it again. Let's see what we get. It's a request.structures.case insensitive dictionary. Alright. Let's get back to the actual headers, I guess. Oh, that was one too many. And let's see what we get. It will still be the same thing, but I want to get the, what do you call it? Accepted set cookie. So we're gonna go set cookie. Let's see what this brings us. Alright, so that's a bunch of stuff. But I think this might be what we've been looking for. So we can try that out. Set cookie. What do we have now? Oh, wait, we can remove that. Python regex, alright, and now I want to get it actually as a text. Can it go like to strings, something like that? Split, nope, nope. String, we can just go dot string. Dot string. Oh, that's too early. Hang on, one second. Yeah, alright. Yeah, nice. Nice. Results is not defined. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We didn't need that. I'm also just gonna get. Let's see. Where's my other print? There's only one print. There's only one print. Oh no. Wait, is this just a whole string? Regularly look for any more stuff. Okay, alright. So what do we need to get, like group? Try this one. Alright. So if we make like a group of this, should work like this, I think, if I remember my regex correctly. Let's try it. It's still the whole thing. Get Python regex get groups. Extract a part of a regex match. That's what we need. Title search dot group. It should be group like group 1. 1. That's correct. Oh, look at that. That certainly looks like an ID. So we're gonna go, what's it called? Cookie SID equals these. Ooh, Lucy, I will most certainly hydrate. How have you been, Lucy? Welcome back on the internet. Haven't seen you in a while. I mean, it's only been like 4 days, but seeing as we're both online pretty much every day, it feels like a lot of time. How you doing? Am I getting results? I am getting results. Oh, that's wonderful. I mean, I'm fully aware that we ain't getting anywhere yet, but you know, it's a start. Slow bits. So we have our unique ID. Now we need to set it. So I think I can go set. How do I set a header? Set cookie. The Python. Actually, we don't need to do it in a session. We can just put it over here. Eating breakfast. Holy crap, Lucy. It's like 7 p.m. It's 7:30. I hope you're having a lovely breakfast. Breakfast. I hope you're breaking your fast quite nicely. Identity. The add variable to string Python. I never do Python. I don't never do. I hardly do Python. I think that's the more correct more correct wording. So apparently I can just go plus cookie underscore SID plus. And that should just all string it together and give us some actual results over here. So let's get these out of the way. And we ain't getting shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We did the whole thing. We got the cookie. We added the identity SID. It doesn't matter. Alright, but what? I did test this yesterday, so we're gonna test it today again. What if I just add my cookie by hand? Oh wait, hang on. I might have done an oopsie. Because this could be requests. Oh. Done your listen dailies? Not yet. I got home, I had dinner, and then I started streaming this. So I'm hoping that if I get this done a little bit on time, I'll be able to do my enlisted dailies today on stream. But I gotta be honest, it's not looking great. I'm not getting what I want. So we'll see. We'll see. Does it maybe not get added correctly? What if I just go get rid of these and just set cookie almost have Enogu? Typing I don't know what you tried to type, man. Deep divas. Cookie SID equals, I'm just gonna, copy this over. Let's reload this page. And then we go over here. We have set cookie identity SID. It does look a bit shorter than what I had over there. But let's see if this is clearer. Gotta do stuff now, so catch you later. Hey, thank you for the lurk, Lizzie. I hope you're having a great time with whatever you're doing. You almost have enough for a new PC? Ooh, nice. Are you due for an update? Do you need an update? Oh wait, I did this incorrectly. Like my PC is generally pretty okay. The only problem I have is my CPU. I would love to update it, but CPUs are hecking expensive. So I'm kind of saving up slowly to get it done. Name string is alright. How do I do toString? Python toString 1070 Ti. I mean that's not too outdated, is it? It should be able to run like most things. Oh, it's str, not string. Why would you write things out? That'd be stupid. You just go str. Yeah, I got. I mean, it's not really recently, but like a year back, I got a new video card, so I'm pretty good on GPU. But my CPU is like an i5. Hang on, I think I can show the task manager. Performance, is it in there? Yeah, I have like an Intel Core i5 9600, which was alright when I bought it like 5 years ago, but it's not all. It didn't stand the test of time. It did not. And seeing Intel has some issues lately, I would love to switch over to what was the other one again? AMD, I think. I don't know, the other big CPU producer. You have a Ryzen 8700X. I gotta be honest with you, CDU, I have no idea how good that is. I don't know shit about hardware. Oh shit, there's ads coming up. So if the ads start, I'll see y'all in a bit. Wait, did I get the wrong thing? Ugh, ad. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I can't really help it. It's Twitch. You're gonna get ads. The worst part is they're like ads starting soon, but they don't tell you how soon. So they could start any moment. And I'm just sitting here looking at it, waiting. Waiting some more. Ads starting soon. You're fucking lying to me, Twitch. You bastard. Alright, we'll even copy this over. Ends with 9, right? Yeah, CR9. Oh. It's still not there. It's still... Oh, there it is. God damn it. Okay, it's not defined. Oh, there it is. Oh, there we go. We're back again. But yeah, I'm sorry, I can't really help that. But yeah, you're just gonna get a full system update, new systems, I do. I do. I'm sorry for screwing up your name. I forgot which way around it was. Because I have one in my head that, like... Yes, Sidu was incorrect, it's Sidu. Right? Right? Yes. I don't know if that was my which one of my questions you answered there, but... Free gen CPU? Is that a good one? Once again, I don't know anything about hardware. Like, I don't follow the market. I only look at it when I'm building a PC. And after that, I'm like, alright, I'm sorted for the next few years. Now, no. You do. Latest is 13th gen. And you have a 3rd gen right now. So you're like 10 generations behind. Is that how I should interpret that? You are a bit behind, yeah. Like I said, I'm also a bit behind. So I feel your pain. We're gonna disable some of these again. Does the cookie change? Hang on, if I reload this. I should have, if I remove everything. We're gonna reload. And we're gonna look at the cookie. What does the cookie say? The cookie is an identity SID. And it's this one. It doesn't really change. Except when we log in for some reason. let's go. I just want to print all the headers I get back. Login.header. But yeah, like I said, I'm also quite a bit behind on CPUs. So I am hoping to update that somewhere this year. I'm afraid it's gonna take a while. No, I screwed up. We go copy, we go paste it again. And we're gonna find something SID. It has an identity SID, identity SID. Another one. Why are there so many identity SIDs in here? There's like 3. They're all the same? Identity SID is that one. Identity SID is the same one and the same one. But if we use it, it's like, nah, fam. Nah, you don't know what you're going on about. That's annoying. So the path is domain embed.gaijin. Hang on, what happens actually if we log out over here? We say sign out. So we're not logged in, and then we use the cookie we were logged in with. What does it say? What does it do now? We're gonna remove all this login bullshit. We're just gonna use this cookie to send a request and print the result. Clear it out and run it again. We're not logged in. Okay, that's correct because we actually did log out with that. So that's good. But then what happens if now we're logged out, we try to use this to log in again. Ah, dang it. It's still not there, man. It's still not there. That's a little bit sad. Because we get printed this. And over here it goes like, nah, you need to log in. Okay. Well, for now, I think I'm just gonna forgo this. We're gonna ignore all this. We're just gonna, yeah, we're just not doing this. We're gonna use this cookie. Well, we're gonna get a new cookie because we're not logged in anymore. New data getter. Yeah. I almost set the password. It's not really like I explicitly made this account because I don't wanna use my actual account for this. So it shouldn't matter if I like say the username, password, email, if I leak that kind of stuff, but I still want to be a little bit cautious. Just a tiny bit. But yeah, how soon are you gonna get the new BCC do? Gonna be like in a month? Maybe even faster? Maybe a bit shorter? It's the same one. That's honestly really weird. Why would you be the same one? Hang on. Gonna put you over there. Soon TM. Gonna go for classic soon TM. Yeah, it is the same one. Why do I get the same one every time I log in? That's weird. Hang on. I have a very stupid idea. What if I sign out so we're not logged in anymore? You need to go, hey, gonna play board games. Nice, have fun, man. You guys gonna play any particular one? Yeah, have a good evening. Spend some time with your family, man. Have fun. Go get him. Go win. You can do it. Tell me if you won or not, because I want to know. Monopoly. By the Houtstraat. Get the Houtstraat. The Houtstraat is probably the best one. I believe in you, Sido. Also, ew, Monopoly. Monopoly is the worst board game out there. R.Jason. Adios. Oh no, I need to log in. Wait, that was the whole point. I'm just gonna try to log in with my user and use the SID I've been using the whole time. Oh, excuse me. Whew. I don't know what my tummy was doing there. It does wait a little bit. Wait, what's going on? What's going on? Or do I actually need to log in? Right, we're gonna just, instead of the JSON, we're gonna get the text. Save it. Just save it. Nothing special. No, you're not running it. You're just saving it. Clear our terminal and see what's out there. Alright, so for some reason, we do need to log in over here. So we use this. We go. Oh, well, no, that's not what we wanted to. That's what we wanted to type in. And if we make the same request now, we're not getting data either. Did they finally change my cookie thingy? Reload. Let's see what the cookie is now. That cookie. And tracking. Right. Let's head all the way to the top. I just want to know what my cookie is, man. Just want my cookie. Identity token, identity SID is still the same thing. Wait, am I being a dum-dum? I might be a dum-dum. Frequently a dum-dum. Oh, we tried to log in again. That's probably what screws us over there. No, it's not. Is it the same one? I'm a dum-dum. I'm a dum-dum. Why is it working if I'm a dum-dum? No, sorry, why is it not working? Because we are logged in right now. If I go to the replay portal, it will identify me. No cookies for this request. There are cookies for this request. This is my identity SID, which is probably cookie SID equals keys. That's the same as that one. Okay. Oh right, I didn't print out the results, so that's probably why we didn't get any. I'm so smart. Jason. The JSON object must be string byte. What? Print r.json. What do you get? What's your JSON, son? That does seem like valid JSON, actually. So what if we go over here and say print results? And then we clear it out. And try it again. Oh, I should probably remove that. And semicolon. Because this is Python. Python doesn't do semicolons. The JSON object must be string bytes or byte array, not dictionary. JSON.load r. You already are JSON? Alright, so what if we just go r.json and remove the rest of the line? How does that look? That looks absolutely incoherent, but there's a lot of data in not a lot of space. That doesn't help. JSON dot parser dot online. That doesn't help either. Right, so apparently this is not like official JSON, but it's kind of JSON. JSON tools. Can I go like format? Was an error. I just want to see some JSON, man. Format JSON. Just I don't want to validate. I know it's invalid. I know it looks weird, but I don't care. I just want to see it. There we go. Alright, look at this. Look at this. We got it. We got some stuff. We got results. What if I just say like, hey, this is only one thingy, right? Is it only one thingy? I think it's only one thingy. I don't know what the thingy is. One game. Game is what I was looking for. It's not. It's actually like, wait, how many games is this? Alright, you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna run it. Just gonna go over here. We go r.json. That's a new JSON. And I'm gonna let this run once. So let's see how this looks if we run it. Errors! There's errors! What is it? Scraper.py line 31. User, so you go to generate user game link, and eventual error is in line 65 in insert bot in db function. There we go. Go over here, line 65. Why did you select all this? All of this? And it's complaining about the cursor.fetch all. That's probably, let's see, MySQL Python fetch all. My cursor.fetch all method. And what's your actual complaint? List index is out of range. So what we're gonna do? Gonna go cursor.fetch all. I'm gonna print that. And then we're gonna go like exit. Python exit. Just want to stop. We can just go exit. Okay, well that's relatively easy. Let's go exit. Exit 1, actually. And then we do it again. It's empty. If not bot ID. Let's see. Check if the bot already exists. Force insert. If it doesn't work, we know that it doesn't exist. Insert ignore into bot username. Execute commit bot ID is user less row ID. If it doesn't exist, we're gonna check. Wait, hang on. Let's actually, while we're thinking about this, let's have a look at the database. Let's see if there's anything added. Enlisted data. There is one bot in there. Bot ID. Oh, hang on. I know what's going on. I know what's happening. You should be auto increment. There we go. Incorrect column specifier for a column. What? Alright, that's probably because it's Yeah, that's because there's already data in there. So we're just gonna empty everything. Yes, please. And then we can say bot. Wait, hang on. Didn't I just tell you to empty everything? We've selected empty. Yes. Can authenticate reference in a foreign key construct. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. We're just gonna make sure we ignore all safety protocols and we just do it anyway because fuck you. That's why. My database, I can decide what we do with it. And once we've done that, this one could be structure. This should auto increment. It should count up. It should start at 0 and count up. Incorrect column specifier for column bot underscore ID. Oh, you're not a number. And if you're not a number, so you're gonna go int auto increment. There we go. That should do the trick? Question mark. Oh gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Why is everything a varchar? This is gonna be a little bit annoying. Okay. Because I can't change both at the same time, I'm assuming. Can I just force it in a way? Because you're varchar. Let's have a look over user game link. Structure. This is a varchar. This is a varchar. This is a varchar. Those shouldn't be varchars. They should definitely not be. Did I make an oopsie? Did I do a little oopsie when deciding the data? I don't know why it's in here. It should be like an int. An int with... No, you should just be an int. Same for... yeah. Int. Then we go over here. You should be an int. And you should be an int with auto increment. There we go. Then over here, you should be an int. Oh, I should actually make them int 11s. Let's copy that, and we're gonna add that over here, over here, over here, and over here. Right, and then we're gonna go database, forward engineer. No, it shouldn't be that one. Where's the export? Export. So we just want to generate a script. There we go. Do that. So we copy all of these. Then over here we're gonna remove everything. We're just gonna delete everything that's in here. We don't need any checks. And we're gonna create a new one. So we do a little bit of pasting. List the data. Reload. Nothing. Oh, right. Because I named it differently previously. Yes. Then over here, actually what we are just gonna do is say, where's my users? User account. This one is gonna get some database privileges. You can revoke these. We're gonna add some new ones, I guess. Wait, what? Yeah, I wanna add more data. For tables, for databases. Do I do it over here? Privileges? Can I privilege one of my users? No. That databases are a pain. This one. I want to give you more rights to a certain database. Yeah, this one. Go. I want you to be able to do whatever with the data that you might want. And now we're gonna go in here. I gotta do this off screen just to be safe. And we change the database info to refer to the other database. Alright, that should be working. So let's try it out. Alright, what's going on? Insert game data, curse execute, yada yada. Out of range, value range for column game ID. Oh, I did limit the game ID a bit too much. Because the game ID is not something I actually control, that's Gaijin's. So what we're gonna do, let's see, insert. No, not insert, structure. We're just gonna change this and make it. We might have to make it. Actually, what if we just gave it? How long is your game ID? Out of range value for column. What if we give you like 32? Wait, what? Why did my chat just trip up? What happened? No, it's fine. It's probably fine. It's probably nothing. Let's do it again. MariaDB is not... Alright, fair. That's... because MariaDB does not exist. We're MySQL now. So let's have a look for MariaDB. Let's make a replacement. So we're gonna... Oh. And do that. We're gonna go make a replacement. Over the whole file, make a replacement. Every MariaDB should be with MySQL. I want you to do it everywhere and confirm with me. So that's a yes, 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 yes. So let's have a new look. MariaDB is nowhere to be found. MySQL has no error. Oops. MySQL error Python. MySQL.connection.errors. Oh, you're not MyDB. Oh no. So we gotta fix that as well. That's fun. So, hang on. What's the thing we did? MySQL. So we should be able to find MySQL.error, right? No, was it like a capital E maybe? Yeah, there we go. And instead it should be. So we're gonna make a new replacement. We're gonna MySQL.error. And we'll replace that with MySQL.connector.error. Everywhere I want confirmation, so we're gonna go yes, 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 and save it. Right again. Alright. Out of range value for column ID. I think that might be... Request method not allowed. Excuse me? Is it over here? Structure, game, change. We're gonna go 32. Save. Nah. Nah, that's not it either. You know, it did add some maps. That's nice. That's cool. That's pretty nice. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of annoying. bot ID, yada yada. Insert ignore into bot. I would expect this to actually do the adding of the thing. Do I have to? Huh. What other options do we have? Should it be like big int? Yeah, I know. I can do that. I'm aware. Please ignore that. Please just let me be. Alright, so now instead of int, we gotta use like big int. Foreign keys. You're dead. On update, yeah, no. Let's see. MySQL workbench replace foreign key type. Oh, those white on white ads do not look good. Whoopsie daisy. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So what we're gonna... how are we gonna fix this? What if we go data type big int? I do have a stupid ID, and I do not like that, so we're not doing that. Hey, it's over. I just want to change, man. Could not set new data type. Constraints error cannot be accepted. Previous. Okay, so we would like to ignore some constraints. MySQL workbench ignore foreign key constraint. As foreign key checks is 0. Okay, we can just quickly do that if I find how to execute some SQL scripting shell. No, that's too advanced. That's not what I want. I just want to execute a little bit of SQL. Add diagram, yada 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 yada. Should be a way somewhere in here, right? I've done it before. Just don't remember how. Yeah. Add a new diagram. Range, view, undo. Connect, manage, forward, engineer, sync. Oh, we're not doing an official. Okay. Okay, temporary disable for key constraints, yada yada yada. Set global, turn off, do the following. Okay. So what we can do over here, we're just gonna do this. We're gonna say, hey, you ignore all your constraints. It's fine. Don't worry about it. We'll fix it. Then over here, you're gonna be a big integer. Excuse me? Excuse me? I thought I put you off. Set global foreign key checks. Oh wait, what? Okay. So theoretically we should have no foreign key checks. So I say edit, I say big int, and I say save. And there's a foreign key. This is gonna be really annoying. No, we're gonna just MySQL workbench change type of foreign key there. How to change that primary key field in MySQL workbench, yada yada yada. Portrait 10, nope, that's not it. That's not it. Create foreign primary keys. No. Triggers and sequences. That's all not what I want. Alright, we're gonna... I want to change the... want to change key pair in my key pair in MySQL workbench, but it has a foreign key constraint. I want to change the data type of both sides of the key pair. Alright, so it will probably make something out of that. To change the idea, you need to adjust the foreign key. Here's the general process. Alright, so I need to delete the key. Then I need... that's annoying. It's annoying, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're gonna go foreign keys. Can I copy this? I can copy it. Okay, so this is user ID link user. We're gonna remove it. I'm gonna try to paste it. Oh no, okay. Me, I didn't want to do this. It was perfect. I kinda have to, so that's the annoying part. So you're both linked on user ID. What else do I have set up here? Not much, I'm afraid. So we're gonna just copy those, I guess, remove them. We're gonna change this one. You're gonna be a big boy soon. You're gonna be a big int. Where's my big int? Big int, tiny blob, nope. Big int. Wait, is there no big int in here? Just want a huge integer, that's all. Decimal, blob, binary, blob, long blob, medium, tiny, far. Is big int not a thing? Contains errors and cannot be accepted? I am so confused. Why can you not be a big int? Why does big int not exist? You have medium int, there it is, big int. Contains errors and cannot... Oh right, wait, hold on. I think I know what I need to do. Because it needs a number, so we're gonna go like big int 32. So you're gonna be big int 32 as well. And over here we're gonna say user ID is big int 32. Alright, so we changed all those. And then what we are gonna do is foreign key. You're gonna be user game link. Yeah, user one. And you're gonna refer to user, I guess, and use user ID on user ID. Let's see. No, you can be 0. No, actually, you should exist in there. This is fine. Yeah, this is fine. And we can basically do the same thing. So we're gonna go basically copy over this one, paste it over here. Link user ID. Let's see, you're gonna go to bot, and user ID is gonna be bot ID. There we go. Alright, and then we need one more, and that's for the game ID. I don't think the map ID is gonna be too big, but I'm pretty sure the game ID is gonna be too big. So we're gonna remove that one, delete. Then over here we're gonna say game ID, you will be a very big integer. Big int. And game ID over here is also gonna be a big int. And then we're gonna go foreign keys. Gonna say foreign key user game link to game 1. You're gonna refer game, and game ID will be referred to game ID. Oh, these have the same name. Let's change this over because you should not be use1, you should be bot1. Alright, so we set it up all correctly. Let's see, this every you will have one to you. Yeah, alright. This seems wonderful. Now we're gonna once again wait, can I change the name of the database? Because this database is quite outnamed. What's it called? Outdated. The file name is quite outdated. Yeah, alright. We're just gonna export it. Next. Yeah, next. We're gonna go this. Go back to our database, and we're just gonna paste the same code in here and execute it. And then we're gonna check this. Look at the bot structure. It's a normal int. It's a fucking normal int. Why is there no big int? Sorry. I can't even search through this. Why is there no big int? It should be big int, right? Big int not null. Map ID. Game ID, big int. Don't care about these. User ID, big int. Do I need to refresh the page? Something like that. Right. You know what? I'll just throw away this whole database. Where's the database? It's there. This one. You there, sir. Drop. Can't drop. Database doesn't exist. Sure, whatever you want. As long as it doesn't exist, I'm fine. And we do it again. Table, yada yada yada, reference and column map ID, reference and foreign key map ID are incompatible. Did I do a little oopsie? I might very well have done that. I very well did, because you shouldn't be a big int. You should just be an int. There we go. Well, we save it, we run it again, export, forward engineer, next, copy, paste, execute, referencing map ID and reference column map ID. Oh, I didn't specify the number. Okay, that's on me. That's me being a dum-dum. I'm being very good at that. So we're gonna go int 11. So you know how many numbers you're allowed to store. We go export. We do the whole shebang again. We paste it. We go. Go. Ah, no. Map ID. Wait, what? Int 11 not null. But you're also int 11 not null. I think. Yeah, int 11 not null. Why are you incompatible? Why are you incompatible? Reference in FK game map 1. Let me look at that for key game map 1. That map ID int 11 refers to map ID int 11. I am kind of confused why this is giving issues, so we're just gonna try it again. Maybe I didn't copy it correctly. That sounds like something I would do. Gonna clean this all out. Now we're gonna drop the database again because it did get created, and that might be an issue. Just make sure we're starting absolutely clear. Over here, paste it, execute it. No issues. No issues whatsoever. Lovely. Then we go over here, we execute it, and there's errors. Of course there's errors. Field map ID doesn't have a default value. Honestly, that does sound a lot like the map ID. Right, hang on, let's just clear it all. Have a look at this. There's nothing added to the database. Okay, interesting. Let's run it. Map ID doesn't have a default value. Okay. That's the end of page 1, and after that we get some random errors. But it does start with the map ID doesn't have a default value. So where do we add map ID? Over here. Hang on, go back. Select map ID, okay, but it should be in an insert. We're not using that at all. Alright, let's have a look at this. Insert game data. So what we're gonna do is just print out the data we have and stop the script. Alright, this is what we have. Gonna go... Oh, I was about to copy it. I just absolutely failed at that. Copy. There we go. Paste it in here. So session ID, circuit, game enlisted, yada yada. We have a lot here. What are we looking at? Mission name. Mission underscore name. It's Normandy underscore village underscore conf. Let's just add a little line breaks. This is what we're looking for. So it has that. It does find map. Find maps over here. With the campaign name long. Alright, I'm gonna go print campaign name long. Wait, didn't we have like an exit somewhere? We might have done that a little bit too early. Where's our other print? Yeah, here it is. So we're gonna move the X2 after that and see what's in there. It's normally village conf. Okay, that's what we expected. Then it's gonna go select map ID from map where campaign name is yada 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 yada. And alright, so it's gonna try to find the map in our database, in the map. Just to check if it exists. So let's take these two with us. So wait, hang on. Once we click, oh, it does work. So let's see what it returns. It should give like nothing, but we're gonna go dump it and stop our execution. It's empty. Okay. And the length of it, len, is 0. Okay. Oh, I think I might know something because we're gonna go, alright, edit, add map. We don't give it an ID. So we get a campaign, state by max campaign ID, yada yada yada. Max ID is that. Else, yeah, okay, sure, yeah, whatever. And then it's gonna go insert map, and it doesn't give anything to the map. So what it expects is that it automatically generates an ID. Because enlisted doesn't give us an ID, so we should be generating one of our own. So the problem is, it doesn't know it should. So it's like, hey, where's my fucking ID? And I'm like, no, you make the ID, except I never tell it to. So, you know, that's me being an absolute dunce. not validating anything, but we can try again. Let's see. Ah, we got a new error. Progress. Traceback, yada. Alright, so index list out of range. Oh, that's fair, that's fair, that's fair. I think that's fair. Bot ID. It does have an ID. The bot has an ID. It's progress. Let's see, so we have a little bit of data. At this point it crashed the moment it tried to do something with the ID of the bot. Because it didn't exist, which is fair. Because it probably didn't. Print cursor fetch all. So it printed this. Now what if we want to get like the 0? Index list out of range. Oh shit. Ah! Screwed up. I screwed up. No, 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 it's fine. Okay. So we do this, we save it. MySQL Python fetch all. What do you return? What do you give me back? It's a rows. Rows fetch all. Yeah, okay. But what do you give back? It doesn't really help. So for row in cursor, print row. It should be for row in cursor, fetch all and list cursors are essentially the same. Essentially the same difference is not to retrieve less into this. Okay. So instead of fetch all, we should maybe do like list. If I understand correctly, and I do not understand correctly. So what if we're gonna remove like these. Oh, that's, I removed a bit too much. There we go. And instead of we're just gonna list it. We're gonna see what's over there. And then we're gonna exit 1. Go. Let's see what we get back. It's empty. It's just an empty list. Select bot ID as result bot from bot where username is equal to that. Hello, your name is Bobby Tables. Hello, Bobby Tables. Should I just do the whole drop, whatever from... How's it going? Oh shit. Oh no, no, no. Get back. How's it going, Dev? I am absolutely failing at Python. Python and SQL is... Python and SQL and code I wrote 3 years ago. So this is... It's a process. It's a process. Let's keep it at that. But you don't exist. If not, just imagine it. I don't know what it's doing. Hang on, I'm just gonna go. Gonna go print a name. Print bot name. How's it going, Dev? Good morning to you, I guess. It's 8:30. I believe we're like exactly 12 hours apart, so that should go for both of us. Good morning. I hope you had a good night. Is it Monday morning or like Tuesday morning for you? Because I don't know if you're like 12 hours ahead or behind. The game moons. It's Tuesday, alright, so you're 12 hours ahead of me. You made it, yes, welcome in. You don't exist. Why are you tripping over something that don't exist? Nah. But you made it, yeah, welcome on in, man. I'm struggling, as you might notice. What is... Wait, hang on. Print... Bot ID? You should have at least the last row, right? There it is. What do you mean if... If not? It's 0, so it's gonna... It's falsy. It's falsy. Similar as most programming understand is I can understand Py. You've never bothered with it. Yeah, I've done like a little bit. Mainly just if I wanna like get some data from something, like I'm doing right now. But this is the most like the most advanced Python I've ever worked with. I think I found my thing though, because I go if not bot ID, but bot ID is 0. And as we all know, 0 is false. So I'm gonna go in here. Where's my insert? Insert. We're gonna go fake bot. It's a fake bot. Incorrect value for okay. Alright, here you go. ID 1. Beautiful. So hang on, I do want to keep that going. Let's clear the command line. Alright. It was still tripping. Wait, it still got in there. Annie? What? Wait a second. Hold on. You're still 0. Last cursor.last row ID. What's going on here? Python MySQL cursor last row ID. Cursor last row ID. Wait, why should I even need this? I wouldn't need this. Insert ignore into bot username values that. Alright. So it should add. It should be like, hey, I'm gonna add this bot. mydb.commit. Commit changes MySQL Python. Because I did foolishly set up a normal database while my old code was using MariaDB. So I might just being hooked up in like the little nuances between the two. You execute, okay. The db.commit in above code is important. It's used to commit a change made to a table. Without using commit, no change will be made in the table. Okay, but we do the commit. Did I forgot auto increment? Have I been a fool again? I have been a fool again. Look at me being a fool. When I have that little AI check, we're gonna save it. Alright, sure. I'm sorry. I will check all. But yeah, like you say, it's not really hard to understand different programming languages once you understand the first. That's something I have found. And Python is a pretty useful language, I found. Just if you want to make something that doesn't take too much. And is not PHP, honestly, because the performance of Python is way better than PHP. But it kind of is in the same niche. It's just less web focused and it's more on data processing and stuff like that. Alright, so we actually have an outer increment now, which I will also have to add over here, because otherwise I'm gonna forget it if I have to do this again. Now I will scream if that happens. There we go. We do this. We do that. Let's clear it out and let's run it again. Honestly, I think that went way further than last time. Let's see if we have more data this time. Yeah, there's rows. There's actual rows in there. That's amazing. Awesome. Alright, I see ads are coming up because Twitch is being nice. I'm gonna take a quick break and go to the toilet. And I will see you after the ads. I'll be back in a minute. And I'm back. And let's see. We have data. We have actual data now. We have added a few maps. We have got a few bots. And we have no users. And we have an error. Why is there errors in here? Let's see. Generate user game link data. List index range. Out of range. Hang on. Let's also just have a look at the bot, because it has only added bots and it has no players. So I think there might be a little oopsie where it doesn't correctly detect the bots. Where you go? Players team. Dev been killing at PSN. It's not in there. He's not in there. Why is he not in there? Let's have a look at what it does. So we go for X result in players. For X result, replay items, user link data, game link data. If not, insert game data. So we start over there. We get Jason. Wait, do I have an exit? Is there still an exit in there? In here? No, there's not. Okay. So first we add the maps. Oh, that apparently has happened. Then it goes into game. Well, the game has been added, I think. Yeah, there's games in here, so that's good. Not everything's filled up. I don't know if it should, but that's a worry for another time. Those game IDs are looking big nowadays. Holy crap. Add map. But where are the users added? That's somewhere. Oh, that's further along. Alright. If user ID is not 0, insert user. User data append generate user data for user. Otherwise, user link data append you and user. Alright, but I feel like this one, something's going wrong over here. Oh no, it's over here we go insert user. Insert into user, user ID, usernames. But it doesn't get there because it crashes on the bots for some reason. Because the bots are added in a different place. Question mark, add bot. Wait, bot. Insert bot, that's the one. So it tries to go bot ID. Bot ID is 0? Right, hang on, I'm gonna remove where's the insert game data? There we go. Gonna remove this one because it's kind of cluttering up everything. Gonna check all. Empty all the tables. Make sure there's no data left, and we're gonna go again. Those were some errors. Not all parameters were used in the SQL statement. Interesting. With multiple prints. Error adding entry to database. Well, that's kind of annoying. So I guess we'll just have to number these. We go 1. We go 2. We go number 3. Over here, it's gonna be number 4. We can ignore all of these. And then we're back to 1. Okay, so now we can just start from the top again. Check all. Empty. Yes, please. And we should have... Alright, so it's 1 and 2. Enter user ID and usernames. Execute many SQL and data. Not all parameters were used in the SQL statement. Right. What's in the print data? Is it just that we're giving it more data than it actually needs and it's tripping over that? No, it seems to be fine. Like we give it 2 pieces of data. And it does expect 2 pieces of data, so I'm kind of confused what it's complaining about. Duplicate entry, that's fine. We don't really care about the duplicate entry. What I do care about is this. Right? MySQL, Python, execute many. How do you work over here? Execute many. Alright, but this is what we're giving you. Not all. I'm confused. Why are you complaining about this? Not all parameters were used in the SQL statement. Try to use question mark, that's what I'm doing. Pressure execute bot underscore name. No, hang on, undo that. One thing at a time. Add user is insert into, yeah, they note that the parameters markers used by SQL Connect make it look the same as %s used in the Python string formatting relationship. Like are used. Oh, should I do the question marks? Just say, hey, you're gonna get past an integer and a string. That might work. Apparently not. Apparently not. So we're still not all parameters were used. I am kind of confused what's going on. We're just gonna clear this all out again. I'm gonna empty all these tables. So we're clean again. Remove some of all of these. And actually look at this. Okay, here's a solution. These need to be S's. Works multiple times, so that's a start and Console use case add user user data buggy sometimes, so it says values directly in the query. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna get Bobby tabled. Insert into values. Wait, do we need to go like, hey, it's... What if we just go %s, %s. There we go. Hang on, what's that? There's no error for number 2, I think. Let's have a look at our database. Do we have users? There's users in there. That's it. We can't use question marks anymore. That's a problem. There we go. So we just go %s, 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 %s. How many question marks are in here? None? None at all. There's no question marks, you say. Check all with selected. No, hold on. That might be a bit too much. We're just gonna empty everyone. Yes. Gonna go do this from start. Actually, because I think this error is because we execute it all again. Oh no, we don't. We just do it once. So let's do it again. That's still a lot of fucking errors. God damn it. Field game ID does not have a default value. Oh no. Why does field game ID? What? There's no game underscore? There's a game underscore. Of course there is. Game ID. Game type, game modes. Game type, game modes. Hang on, what game ID. Alright, hang on. I numbered these, so I found them. SQLDB, I know. MySQL database. With PHP myadmin. Error to database 1. There it is. So this one is like, fuck you, buddy. Can't help you. Alright, well, tell me what do you have? Print data. We're gonna empty everything again. Empty. Yes. We're gonna clear the terminal out and we're gonna run it again. Give me some more data. Error adding entry to database 1. Field game ID doesn't have a default value. Oh, it's probably... No, it's not. Alright, so I'm telling it... Wait. These only have... Do I have another print? I'm confused. Oh, here's another print. Okay, we don't want that. We don't want another print. We just want the one that gives us error. So we're gonna use this. Insert game user link. We're gonna do the whole spiel again. I mean, you should be pretty familiar with like MySQL databases, right? Being a web developer and everything. I mean, you use PHP for God's sake. You don't get to complain about me about what I do and don't use. Field name game ID does not exist. Okay. So where's number 2? No. Error number 1. Where's error number 1? Over here. So it goes insert into game user game link. Where's user game link? There's user game link. Structure. We're gonna play. You just assign it a default ID. I can't really because most of the IDs are made by Gaijin. Because I'm just getting data from Gaijin and using that. So we have the user ID. That's a big int. We have the game ID. Yep. The site. And the bot. And there's a game ID. There's a game ID. Why is there game ID? Is it in here? Game ID is varchar. Why do you exist? Excuse me? What are you doing here, sir? Your primary key. Right, I think I did a little oopsie somewhere. We're just gonna delete this one. It's not. It shouldn't be there. Drop. Yes. I mean, I have no idea how it got there, but I did screw around a bit with MySQL Workbench earlier. So we're gonna do the whole spiel again. I probably just accidentally like moved something. Let's empty all this stuff. Do it again. No, not clear it again. Run it again. Alright, there's a big error at the end, but that's fine. Because that's where it should stop. Let's have a look what we actually have now. Oh, that's so I have 76 bots, 25 games, 502 users. Alright, not gonna lie, that's pretty good shit. Let's have a little look. See, is there anyone in here we might know? Should we show all options here, right? Numbers of rows, 500. It should be most of them. Let's have a look. Belgian waffle. You know what? I like their style. I don't like their Belgian, but I do like their style. So I'm just we're gonna go a little in here. Where user.user ID equals this. Let's start it easy. Alright, we found them. So then we're gonna go left join game. Where it's user game link. I should go to user game link because we use I don't know what the English term for it is. We'd call it like a koppeltabel, like a linking table, I guess. User game link is just a linking table. Yeah, link. It's in the fucking name. I'm a dunce. So yeah, on user.user_ID equals user game. User underscore game underscore link. So we should be able. Oh shit. Oh no. Unknown column user game link in on cause. Right. User game link dot user ID. I'm still a dunce. We found the game. And then we can just link it further. Actually, we're just gonna do an inner join. We don't need to do any fancy stuff. Then we join game on user game link dot game ID equals game dot game ID. Go. Alright, so we have map ID 7. What I'm missing over here is the game type and the game mode. I would like to save to get those, but the map ID we have, that's number 7. So they just played on Normandy Coast City Domination. Apparently I don't need to save the things I was just talking about in game. Because it's over here. I just assign it on the map. Right. Just because I'm curious to see what happens. What if we run it again? We should get a few errors, I guess, because we have adding duplicate entry, but that's good actually. Because I didn't want to do the checks, I just went like, hey, just add it. If there's duplicate entry, just complain to me, I will ignore it. It's fine. And now we have 697 users playing 36 games. Only 36? And hang on, so if we just go 36 times, you have 12 players per side, times 2 would be 864. And if we go 864, so we go 697 plus 115 bots, and there's probably like at least one duplicate in there because it doesn't add up exactly. But that does sound that sounds pretty accurate actually. All right, it seems to be working. It does add up. Yeah, I mean not exactly, but there's, you know, if there's like a quick game in between, there's a few players. It's assigning the bots game IDs. It's not. No. Bots are in the user game link, but there's like a if it's a bot or not. And if it's a bot, the user ID will be extremely low compared to our actual user IDs, which are in the thousands. Game links, yeah. Sorry, that's it should be in there because the bots were in the game, and it's a way to link the bots, through the game. I'm actually pretty proud of the database design of this. Like I actually use like constraints and foreign keys. This project was how I learned to make indexes, because at some point I ran this project for a few months. My database was about 50 gigabytes, and just to get anything took minutes. And then I learned to use indexes, and it took a minute instead of minutes. Still wasn't optimal, but it was something, you know. So yeah, that was pretty good. I honestly think that's about all I needed to do on the coding part of this right now. I'm sorry. Whew. Some guests coming up, and it's it's not pleasant, honestly. I'm gonna get some my print statements out of there. Yeah, I used to fracture server ATTs before I learned indexes. Oh boy! I mean, I did ruin my server by doing that, just because I like rent a private server, VPN. No, that's a network. VPS, virtual private server. There we go. And it has 50 gigabytes of storage. And at some point it wouldn't start up anymore because it was all full with enlisted data. So now I've been a smart boy and I just host it on my own server, which has 100 gigabytes, and I can actually physically access instead of in case I really screw up. Alright, this seems to be alright. No more logging over there. There's a print over here. Alright, there's one more thing I want this to do, which is actually go on to the next one. Because right now it's hang on, I'm Jason, you're doing a new request for a new thingy. Oh, I think, let's see, this changed, right? Enlisted. Oh yeah, I can't use HTTP anymore. There we go. So remove those. And now I should get it twice? Question mark? No. What's going on here? Default encoder decodes, self raw decodes, JSON decode error, expecting value from none. Oh, that's right, because I didn't add like this, the header part. Let's just yank that. Yeah, I used the entry tables that were 30 million entries big with average 25 minutes, but locally it's under 10 minutes. Yeah, that's the kind of fun stuff. Alright, let's get this in here. Let's add these headers. Oh, in case you're wondering, by the way, I made a user explicitly for this because I didn't want to use my actual login cookie SID. So you can hijack my user, but it has nothing on it. I still need to fix, like, I spent a good hour trying to do an automated login, but I still have to do some more research because now I have to log in manually, copy the cookie ID until it's not valid anymore. It will run until it's not valid anymore. Oh no. Still not working. Where did I screw up? Let's have a little comparison. Oh, I didn't add these. Yeah, of course. So we're just gonna... You know what, I'm just gonna get this whole line. Paste it over here. This one can fuck off. And we can just go, instead of page 1, where, oh shit, we're gonna go page plus, oh, is that the wrong quotation mark? It is, plus string I plus. So we save it, we run it again. They do have a bot catcher on the portal. Oh, have you run up against it? Because I haven't yet. Oh, it does say page 2. It doesn't do anything else. Not sure what max allows. Yeah, I do take like 1 minute between every call I make. Alright, I'm just gonna up this to 11. Just so it does like 10 full rounds of getting data. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so we have a reference point where we started. And we're gonna run it. So yeah, I'm gonna get some errors. Page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, 9, 10. And now we're gonna give it a little reload. F5. Ah, look at that. 4,500 users already got. That's about as many people as play on Steam. It's just less than pages. Alright, so that's pretty good shit. Next thing. Yeah, I need to do one more thingy. Open in File Explorer. Because I actually want this on the server. I want this on the server, I want this running automatically because I'm a lazy ass. So we're just gonna... Oh. I need to zip. I need to zip it. Wait, do I... Can I not make a zip? Please let me make a zip. There we go, zip. And give me a terminal. Oh no, wait, actually... Where's my connection string? I have it somewhere set up. There we go. Is it SSH connections? I need to run it with PowerShell. Thank God there's no password. When I was messing around with it, it had like a max of 400 tries, which wouldn't even be 24 hours in history. I was going to run it, but every 8 hours tried to cover for 24 hours, but lost interest. Yeah, you can only go back, at least when I tried it last, which admittedly was about 2 to 3 years ago, you could go, they only have like 300 pages, I think, 300, 400, something like that. So you have to run it consistently over a long amount of time to get all the data. Like I have... Oh no, shit, I forgot the ads. Oh, no, no, that's not smart. Oh, that's fair enough. Yeah, that's over. Your ads started as I typed that, and now they are over. Ad music, AK farming. The music was kind of ad music. But yeah, like I was saying, Dev, I do remember back in the day when I tried it, you could get about 300 to 400 pages back with harps and banjos. Hell yeah, I don't mind those music. I quite like that. But yeah, I did make like 2 different ways to get all the data. One of them was just trying to get all of it until it was like, hey, we're done. You ain't getting no more. Which I would run once a day, I believe. And the other one I would run every 10 minutes for the last 10 pages. So I probably missed a few, But generally, I think I got most of them. Also, hello, Grey Ghost. How are you doing? How's your day treating you? Hang on, I need to make a new folder. I'm gonna place it in opt. Sorry. MK Deer. Opt. Scraper. Yeah, here's my password. And then we're gonna own that. Geluk. And it's gonna be opt/scraper. Sudo. There we go. Okay, but leaving because coding ain't your thing. That's fair enough, man. That's fair enough. Thank you for saying hi at least. Always appreciate you checking in. I am about, like, I'm setting up less things, and after that I'm probably playing some Enlisted, but that will take like 20 to 30 minutes. At least. I don't know how good this part will go. The other part went kinda rough, but it was okay. Yeah, sorry. Do I have unzip installed? I don't think so. I'll get sudo apt-get just apt-get, right? I can just apt-get. I can't install unzip. There we go. There we go. Unzip, unzip, unzip scraper.zip, and we want to go to opt scraper. Archive Gaussian file name not matched. Unzip Linux. How do we do unzip again? Sudo apt-get install unzip. Oh, -d. Of course it's -d. You always need the fucking D. There we go. Today opt scraper. And we need to install Python. To install Python on Debian. I don't really care too much about the other ones. I just want little apt-get. Sudo apt install Python. There we go. Sudo apt install Python. Free. Is set up to be manually. Alright, so we can Python free minus version. Yeah, sure. Please let me close this. Exit. Thank you. Alright, so we're over here. I'm just gonna run. Oh yeah, it's Python free scraper.py. Imports pip install MySQL. Debian pip? How to install pip? There we go. Is it apt to get install pip with a little sudo in front of it? Yes, it is. There we go. Almost there. Come on. Come on, boy. You can do it. It's so close. It's so close, yet so far away. Hang on, I'm gonna message Lucy to see if she wanna play some Enlisted in a bit. Where Lucy? Oh, no, right. Just waiting on the install. Saying it takes a long time, but it could go faster. This, this. The worst part is waiting. Oh, there we go. It's done. Where's my pip? Pip install MySQL. Externally managed environment is external to install Python system-wide. Try apt install. Apt sudo apt install Python 3 MySQL. Unable to locate package. What the heck? Debian Python install MySQL. Install the connector / Python with pip. Sudo yum pip install. Alright, so we just get that. What? Okay, RPM Debian install denoted, use this command. That's not what I wanted. Is there anyone sudo apt-get Python? Oh, there we go, that's the one. Excuse me, has no installation candidates. It's not available, but it's referred to by other packages. Free install this. You know, it's still externally. Alright, that's kind of rude. You absolutely dominated. Did you get the Houtstraat? Did you manage to get it? Pip MySQL externally managed. Something like that. Externally managed environment. Every time I use pip tree. There we go. Install the proper way to install an application is to install in a Python further. Alright, sure, don't care. What if I'm lazy? Alright, there we go. Risk breaking your system over a part of tools written by Python. That game which whatever, I don't care. I just want this to work. Pip install, where we go? Pip install MySQL connector Python break system packages. There we go. You got the Houtstraat. Nice. Did you get like the whole street? That whole side of the map? Because that one does really dominate in Monopoly. I gotta be honest, man. I really hate Monopoly. I think it's a terrible game. No module in MySQL. Alright, and what if we just go like, hey, screw you, we're just gonna install like MySQL. You got 2 whole streets? Nice. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What happened? Exists, return, error, oh no, okay. Just want stuff to work. Lowest and high. Oh, you got like the brown and the blue ones? That's pretty good, man. Or do you mean just the whole side of the board? Because that's just dominating at that point. Import MySQL connector, no module named MySQL. So go Debian, do that. No module named MySQL. I can't figure it out. Python configured to be a path. I believe initial proper. Okay. Was facing similar Let me just Python oh god dang it. One at the right, one start and the end of the map. Nice. Yeah, that will dominate the game. You guys took your time about like 1.5 hours? That's actually not that bad. Why can't I? For common reason is not installed on your system. Be checked for this case, try importing module in a Python script. Another reason, okay. No module. Alright, let me try this again, but it's probably gonna complain to me again. Is to install system-wide. If you wish to install non-debian, to create a virtual machine using Python. What? If you wish to install, you may use a pipx install. Okay, so we go pipx install MySQL. Pipx not found. After get install. But it was Monopoly on the Switch? Oh, right. Is that any good? I've never played like board games on the Switch. Oh, sorry. That's I should be like, hey, I'm a super user. You listen to me, buddy. Yeah, you can install some bullshit. I don't care about it. No, I slightly care, but not enough. Not enough to stop it. Really fun, but you can connect. Yeah, obviously. You don't want to have the whole family looking around the little Switch handheld. I don't think that's gonna be a very pleasurable experience. Oh, there we go. And now it's working. Using pipx. Okay. So how do I actually use this? Sudo install yada yada sudo pipx. Sure. And how do I actually execute? Using pipx without installing. I'm not doing that. I don't care what it is. I just want to run something. Python run using pipx. MySQL connector, I believe is the proper name. Easy to explain to non-internet parents. Yeah, I guess that helps a lot. No apps associated with MySQL connector or its dependencies. When you're installing a library, pipx should be used. Consider using pip. What? Better error prevent syntax processed. Package. Oh. Hang on, I need to install more. Sudo apt-get install pkg config. Config. Yes, you can install it. But yeah, I can imagine it being easier to explain to your parents how it works. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Where's the right one? There's the right one. Pip seems to fail. Build package. Possible relevant error from pip install. Error subset exiting without an error. Cannot find valid pkg config name. Man. Debian install MySQL connector Python. Installing, yeah. Should we go like pipx install MySQL X connector Python? Connector. Maybe this one will work? No apps associated with the root. Your system away as pip. You might need to update it or you can use. Okay. MySQL Yum repository is not what I'm looking for. I'm confused. I don't know why it don't work. I do not get it. Packets are available over there. Platform independent. Starship. That's not what I want. Imagine just wanting to run something. Imagine that. Couldn't be me. Could never be me. But at this point, I don't want to give up. Install MySQL connector data. Let's look at some other options. Over here, you just go pip install this. That's probably gonna give me the old complaint, so I gotta add the X to it. No apps associated. Okay. Interesting. Install MySQL connector on Windows, yada yada. Alright, maybe I just need to add something else on Windows on Linux. So we need to download it. We probably just need to like download it and set it up and all the usual bullshit. Imagine something that's just working. That'd be too damn great. Alright, so let's actually read this. Install connector source code, follow the instructions to download Python independent tar.gz file. So you are a tar file. Let's see. What will you link me to? No thanks, I just want my download. But I don't want it here. I want it here. So we go wget. We get something from the internet. And we got it. Nice. That's step one. Yeah, sure. There we go. I'm gonna remove this one. So we only have the MySQL X thingy. So we go tar xzf, whatever the heck this file name is. And then we open it. So we have, so we go sudo python setup dot, sorry? There's no setup.py, but you promised me there would be one. Let's see, what's in here? There's thing called MySQL X. Is there a setup.python in here? Sudo python 3. What was it? Install? Setup. There's no setup. Why are you lying to me? How dare you lie to me about having setup? God readme. Let's have a look at the readme. God readme.text. This is yada yada yada. For more information, visit that. You could at least like include some basic instructions about how to install if you're providing something for download. Well, but there's no setup.py. I feel cheated. Why would you do this to me, Oracle? Well, you're Oracle. Fuck you. Let's have a new look at this. We go platform independent, which is what we did. Platform independent, architecture and compressed, archive, Python. Any difference between the two of these? Apparently there is. I just can't see any in the description because you go platform independent, architecture independent, compressed, tar, archive, Python. And you say exactly the same thing. Which one did I download last time? Because I'm just gonna delete this. rm -r mysql. Got like 9.2 with some unclear distinction between the two. wget MySQL Python. You don't have the X. Alright, well, we're just gonna try to do the same thing with this one, because I don't think there was an X in the explanation over here. Wait, where's my explanation? Come back. Okay, so we're gonna do the tar xzf, but instead we use the MySQL. So we open it again. Let's have a look what's in there. There's still no setup.py in here. Instruct. Wait, are these Windows instructions? Oh god, I was following Windows instructions. I'm an idiot. So we have it. No, it should still be in there. What the heck? There is no Python setup.py. Sudo Python setup.py install. Oh, sorry, it should be Python free. Get open file. Yeah, because it doesn't exist. MySQL X. Why are you tripping? So what's actually in this thing? Let's have a look in here. Dependency list requires package info. There's a lot in there, but nothing that's in any way, shape, or form helpful. CD docs. What's in the docs? Docs are empty. Okay. Got readme.rst. Oh, this looks a lot more like something that's gonna explain to me how I install this thing. Let's see. We have the images. Okay, sure. Installation recommended is via pip. Make sure you have a recent version of pip installed. Pip install MySQL connector Python. Pip install the xdev API. Okay, but if I do this, like, it's gonna complain at me again. Because it has done that again. And again. And again. Yeah. Code Python import MySQL X. Code import MySQL connector. This looks a lot like what I wanted to do. I just want to install the package. Installation option connector included. Allow you to install optional dependencies. Nope. Yeah, that's exactly a tutorial I am trying to follow. Why do you keep gaslighting me like this, Oracle? Alright, we're just gonna do. We're over here. There is. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. We're just gonna remove these directories again. rm-r mysql x. That one. And we're gonna remove the other one as well. MySQL connector here. Alright. Tar xzf MySQL connector this. Oh, sorry, did I do an oopsie? Oh, it should be -r, not -f. But let's look at that again. All right. Tar xzf MySQL connector Python version .tar.gz. So we do that, then it creates a folder. We open it. And then there should be a setup.py in here, but there is not. I am really confused. No setup.py in Python connector. It can't find setup. Apt-get install Python. Apt-get install Python MySQL connector. Can you just force it? It's just for a stupid project. I don't need to do it correctly. Oh, doesn't exist either. I specifically need the Python connector. Nope, that doesn't work. Purp 3 install MySQL connector. This don't work either. Alright. So we're just gonna try to do this. Get sudo apt-get install virtual env. Yeah, you can be installed. Apt-get install Python 3 pip and afterwards use your pip. Yeah, okay. Destination is not writable at. Okay, so we go sudo, I think. No, that doesn't work either. It might work actually. Here we go. Sudo source your env / bin / activate. Huh. I'm really confused. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know why it's not working. Because I have this, right? Yeah, you already have that. And if we do this, you start complaining. This environment is external to install packages. Try apt install Python 3. Put up an old and listed project in one of your... Ooh! Do you have any... You don't use Python, do you? Because this is not working for me. I just... Yeah, I don't care. I just want to download. Is that comparer? What are we comparing? This is really frustrating me. I need to have like the MySQL connector Python library to, you know, execute the MySQL part of my code. Because if I go like Python 3 scraper.py, it's like, hey, I don't have the MySQL connector. But I don't have it. I don't have it. Alright, I can just open this and it should do something. Oh shit, there's... Ads! I'm sorry, I'm a dunce. Compare. Oh. You can still see, yeah, ads will probably start in like a second unless you have... what's it called? Twitch Turbo or something like that. This is cool though. I love this. Can I look at code? Is there code here? This is just really compact. Just a lot of data. Which makes a lot of sense, like I'm not gonna lie. It should be there. Change image. Countries. All data and it is complete. Nah. Like the awesome part about this kind of stuff is you can just add the data. That's all you need to do. And then it works. Image bar float stuff. You scraped it off the spreadsheet. Yeah, fair enough. Like, honestly, all you need to do is just rescrape it and you have a very functional site. That's pretty cool, though. Let me... What are these images? Are they just... Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. It's a pretty cool system, though. I think it's nice. You even have the nodes. Is it like the ammo? Like you have 5 in... You can load 5 at a time. You have 20 in reserve. Removable times 8 scope. Yeah, fair enough. And that's officially ads are over. Nice. It's what was in the spreadsheet. Ah, fair enough. It's cool though. It's really nice. I like this kind of stuff. Rifles, shotguns, semi-auto, automatic rifles. Oh. Germany didn't have semi-autos at the time, probably. Like they do now, but that I don't think that they did back in the day, question mark? Or automatic rifles just don't exist at all yet. Oh, there they are. Yeah, the Russians have a few. Of course they do. That's a cool one, man. That's a pretty nice. Might be the missing data. It might be. Or it might be, you know, because it's only available for the USSR. Right, but if I'm gonna try this one again. I don't think it worked out last time. Still gonna try it. Because I'm getting hope. Oh shit. Getting hopeless. Successfully. Oh god. Why did it work? Alright, that's some proper errors. MySQL connector dot connect. Authentication plugin caching SHA-2 passwords not supported. Is this something else I have to install? MySQL 8 caching SHA is the default authentication plugin rather than MySQL native password. If you nick password which is no longer a default, assuming you're using the correct connector for your version, you need to specify the auth plugin argument. There we go. So let's just we do a little bit of nano here. So we nano let's have a look at the scraper. I think there's no, there's no database in there. See why am I nano and why not Vim? Vim db functions.py. Yeah, here we go. So according to this, insert mode please, thank you. Oh shit, insert mode. We say auth plugin equals my use me. Alright, I'm confused. I have never used Vim, I've never used V, I only use Vim. And even that in modern environments. MySQL native password. And even in modern environment I do it badly. So let's try this again. Invalid syntax. Alright, let's actually nano it so I know what I'm doing. Nano scraper.py. It's not in there. I made the same mistake. db functions.py. It should be in here. I see. No, it's not Vim. It's not Vim. Errors. Live response, raise interface, name requires SSL format. Yeah, SSL. This is a local server. You're connecting to your own ass. What do you expect? MySQL connector. Connecting to local host. Stop complaining about SSL. You're not making an SSL connection to yourself. Okay, it's fine. This is your code. Come on, Redditors, be nice. Be friendly. Oh, hey, nice. Wait, is this the same error I had? Caching yeah, there we go. Requires SSL. That's hard to go for. You might have an out-of-date version of MySQL connector Python. Can be wrong, but I was reading that. Was making a separate user with admin and private for the what? Okay. But I don't want to use SSL. Name requires SSL format auf response connection.py. Not working. Not doing the thingy. I'm asking you to do the thingy and they don't do the thingy. No, I explicitly don't want it to do that. Let's go. Okay. So we're just gonna remove this and try to properly fix it. Gonna save it. Gonna run it again so we can see the error. It is line 11, DB connects, authentication, plugin, caching, SHA-2 password is not supported. Alright, so maybe we just need to add a plugin. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's the error. How to fix it? Change user authentication plugin in MySQL. We can change the plugin as per MySQL user account to MySQL native password. Now MySQL and Python MySQL connector. So theoretically, use the MySQL connector Python library. Supports newer caching, yada yada. Oh, okay. I guess we can do this. Pip install. Allow. What was it? Break system packages. Yes, I would very much like to remove all these. Thank you very much. And then we install this. Minus break system packages. Please work. Okay, so we replaced it with a new one. And it's running. We did it. Amazing. Look at that. Right, there's just one more little thingy to do. Well, there might be two. Let's be one. I'm gonna call it one. We're gonna go sudo nano etc cron tab. And over here, I did nano, right? Yeah, I did nano. Ah, God, how does cron tab work? Cron. I know some stuff. Because we want to do it every 10 minutes of every day. Start. Every day. Every month. Every whatever we can think of. So we go star. 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 The user will be root. And what we're actually going to do is, what are we executing again? /opt scraper.py. No, that's not exactly what we're executing. I'm going to save this for now. But we are going to go, it should be Python 3 opt scraper.py. Oh shit, no, fuck, no. Alright, I'm a smart cookie. Ish. I have my moments, let's keep it at that. This is what we need to execute. So we do this again. Over here we remove all of this. Python 3 opt scraper.py. We save. And I need to do one more. cd opt mkdir logs. Sudo mkdir logs. Sudo own. I will own this directory. No logs. And then actually let's just execute it. Where is it? Where's my cron tab? Yeah, we're not gonna execute as root. We're gonna execute as a gluk. A gluk. And we're gonna go to /opt /logs /runner.log. Save it. And just to be sure, I'm just gonna execute this right now. Copy, exit, paste. Errors. File scraper pyline, db modules. Oh, hang on. Alright, that's smart. So we go Python. Python set directory to file location. There we go. Change the working, yada yada yada. Import OS. Alright, so we're gonna go one more change. We go to the scraper. Just a scraper.py. All the way over here. We're gonna be pasting this. So this should change the directory. So if we do this, no section database. God dang it. Because we don't do it in the other one. No, scraper. It shouldn't be there. Instead of scraper, it should be db things. And over here, we're gonna go paste the where's the undo? Actually, no, this was fine. No, it didn't really. We're just gonna be over here. We're gonna type import config parser. We're gonna be deleting it from here. Save it. Try it again. Well, it's not giving an error, so I'm gonna assuming it's doing whatever it needs to do. So I want to go get opt logs runner.log. Alright, that's a lot of errors. That's beautiful. Okay. So then we have one more little thing to add, which is like the actually no, I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna leave it. I think it's fine. I think we set up a pretty good working thingy. We already have almost 10,000 users and 1,000 bots. And how many games do we have registered? 500? Honestly, 500 seems a bit on the hang on, let me do the same math, because we're looking at 600 games times 12 players times 2 sites is about 14,000 players. Never mind, it looks fine. Oh lord, okay. Alright, let's have a look. What is the time? It's almost 10. Alright, with that, actually pretty successful. I'm gonna call it quits. I have done enough for today. It was pretty successful, honestly. I am gonna be back probably, Thursday actually. There's no probably, I'll be back on Thursday. Definitely not programming then. I am definitely playing some game. I don't know what yet. Might be Call to Arms, might be Enlisted. We'll see what I'm in the mood for then. Thanks everybody for being here. Thanks for chatting, lurking, whatever the heck y'all did. I really appreciate it. And let's see who is streaming. Lucy is streaming. Is there anybody playing Enlisted? I'm just gonna have a little look-see in the Enlisted category. And nobody I know. I'm just gonna hand you off to Lucy. She's been away for a bit. She deserves some love. So I hope you all have a wonderful time. I hope you have a good day, evening, whatever it is for you. And I am hoping to see you all again Thursday. Bye bye.